Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this football coach, and they say the text doesn't really matter. I know I have this text. So we're just going to type out football all caps, and I've already looked and I do have that font. It's called College Black. Or College Block. A lot of times Corel does that, then you have to go back and pick it. So that's the font. They got the arch by taking the envelope tool and pick this right here, single art mode. So when you hold down the shift key and you move, maybe the control key, there you go, control key moves it up like that and gives you that arch. Now, the background is all one piece, looks like. So now we're going to type out coach. And I'm going to pick a script type font. She said the font doesn't really matter, just trying to get to so if I go to scripts, it'll list all my scripts. That didn't look half bad. So now what we need to do is make it a different color. We're going to make it a light blue for time being. We're going to put it up in here. And then, I'm going to move this out of the way. This thing is 15 inches big. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 16. And I'm going to select both of them. But you see nothing in the weld tool comes up because it's a font. So we need to go to object and convert them to a curve as soon as we do that. Now there's a couple ways you do it, but this way I found is easier. Make a boundary and then move the boundary all the way. It kind of welded it together. And then what we could do is take that and go up to effects and contour. And let's contour 0.5 to the outside with rounded corners. That looks pretty good. I don't maybe particularly like right there, and you see the inner part, but we can go to object and break the contour apart and grab that and go and break the curve apart and grab that. Well, let's just move the contour over. That's all we really need because we got the outside contour. I'm going to go ahead and move it down, and I'm going to make it green and then move it up. And then go to object, order, back of page, and put all that in the back of the page. You might want to do something, well, it's pretty close to the same distance. And then there's several things you could do is, you could put a white outline around that and make it a little bit thicker than well, that's too thick. Just kind of make it kind of stand out. I don't really like that color. Let's change it to a blue. That makes the white stand out. You can make the outline, thicker. That's probably too thick still. And there you go. I would probably pick another. That font there looks good. But you don't have to do anything because the coach is in front of the football. The football word is still readily readable. I think they said they were going to put it on a gray t-shirt. So if we do this and turn it gray and then go to object, order, backup page, that's what it would look like on a gray t-shirt. Well, depending on what gray. That's pretty cool. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.